most of the time we are unable to understand others' feeling, what situation they are going through, what journey they are going through, what hard situation they are facing. We are not able to understand. Without knowing all of this, we jump into them and we start to shout. We start to revenge from them or start to blame to them. But we need to think a moment actually why they are facing this situation, why they are doing like that, what happened to them. We need to think a moment. After work, father coming to home, not thinking about what situation that mother's going through. Small mistake, without any understanding, the father will jump to the mother or asking about anything. But we need to understand what the situation the whole day the mother's gone through. As a husband, as a father, you need to understand very well what situations your wife or your mother is going through. Maybe you are a manager or boss. Sometimes you might see your good staff not working properly. Suddenly they are with some situations. You are showing your angry and your feelings to them. It's not correct. You need to understand what really they are going through. You need to understand what situations they are going through. Maybe your maid couldn't come to work. After few days, she will be come and she is telling some stories. You need to understand. Maybe she might have some situation to face. We need to understand what situation really she is facing before you talk to her. You need to understand. Maybe your child, once you come to home, you see he's with different attitude, different behavior, or he want to be alone. You need to understand what situation he's going through. Always try to look at the situations from a different point of view. If you want to understand what exactly they are going through, the best way to understand, just put yourself into their shoes for a moment. Perhaps you would understand why it is not as easy as you seems to think. In this life, everybody have their own story. Everybody have their own situations. Everybody suffering from something. We need to understand each other. Without that, the life will be really difficult one. Thank you for watching CK video. Do not forget to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments and your ideas will be always help to make better videos.